Hey guys, John Vapor Holding Technologies here today. Coming to you, we have always promoted and told you that you could use a 30-inch high chair to blast at your vapor holding system. And today we have built a very industrial, robust, solid metal chair. This chair is actually at a 12 gauge stainless steel. You can also do 12 gauge carbon steel powder coat, but you sit perfectly at the machine. The top is 30 inches high, which puts you at a perfect operating position to use these machines. And also the 750 would be another machine that this stool would work for. So hopefully you guys can enjoy this product, and you would also enjoy using this at your favorite workbench as well. So if you have questions, or if you want to purchase the chair, the link will be down below to purchase the chair. And if you have any other questions, just let the sales team know. They will be glad to help you and assist you any way possible. Thanks for watching.